Hey everybody, it's good to see you again. I know it's been a while since I did a video about the Outback, but today I'm going to be installing this smart charger. It's the Pecron 500 watt smart charger, and I'm going to be installing it in the Outback. I'm going to keep the talking to a minimum so that way we can get right down to business and see how I'm going to do it. And now for the surgery. Okay, here you can. Okay, this is where I made my little incision. Right here. And it's just a coat hanger that I cut to use for my fish my line through. Okay, we finally got it through. All we have to do now is just take off the blue tape and we'll work on the inside. Okay, so now you can see the wire. It's right here are the wires, and it runs from the firewall through here. Yeah, it comes out, tucked it up under this center pillar here, up under here, and then I tucked it in between the seats, up under the seat hinge, and yeah, and this is where it comes out right here. And it goes here, and that'll be good enough. My power station will be right there by that wheel. Well, everything is hooked up and we're ready for the furnace test. So let me turn it on the charger, and we have a blue light. And it's showing to be 87%. And it has a little similar to shorts plugged in. Showing to be charging at 530 watts. Let me go get my telephone so we can see on the app early. Well, not shown to be charging at 460 watts. It says 24 minutes until it's fully charged. Well, it works, and thank you for staying to the end. It was a really interesting install. It wasn't too hard, just kind of time consuming because you have to be careful not to damage any of the wires in the wiring harness, but I think it is a really good location for where it came through the firewall. Matter of fact, I think it's the only location through the firewall unless you want to drill a hole or something. But thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you very much.